Hi everyone, I'm Miss Melissa, and today I will be showing you how to make a homemade lava lamp. All you need is a container such as a water bottle, vegetable oil, water, food coloring, and Alka-Seltzer tablets. Let's get started. First, you're going to pour vegetable oil 2/3 of the way into your container. Might be a little messy, so have paper towels ready. Then you're going to fill it the rest of the way with water. Now, add some food coloring, about 4 drops. And now, take your Alka-Seltzer, break it into smaller pieces, and drop them in. It'll take a minute for everything to mix, but then you're going to see color. And just keep adding Alka-Seltzer bits when the bubbles run out. Now you have a homemade lava lamp. I hope you had fun, and I'll see you next time.